5 Best Sunglasses Dropshipping Suppliers. Sunglasses are a hot product for dropshipping, offering great profit margins and universal appeal. Whether your target audience loves trendy, sporty, or designer-inspired styles, having the right suppliers is key to building a successful sunglasses dropshipping store. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers to help you find top-quality products and streamline your business. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers. These suppliers offer a wide variety of styles, reliable shipping, and easy integrations to help you scale your store and deliver great products to your customers. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our tips, strategies, and supplier reviews. Let's get started. At number 5, Zenni Optical. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Zenni Optical, a trusted name in eyewear. What they offer. Zenni Optical specializes in affordable, high-quality sunglasses and prescription eyewear with a variety of stylish frames. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their trendy and customizable options make them a great supplier for stores targeting a wide range of demographics. Reliable service. Zenni Optical is known for their quality control and fast shipping, ensuring customer satisfaction. If you're looking for a mix of trendy and functional eyewear, Zenni Optical is a great option to consider. At number 4, Oberlo via AliExpress. Coming in at number 4 is Oberlo, a popular tool for sourcing sunglasses from AliExpress suppliers. What they offer. With Oberlo, you can access thousands of sunglasses, from fashion-forward styles to sporty and polarized options. Why it's popular. Oberlo makes it easy to find affordable sunglasses with no minimum order requirements, allowing you to test products before scaling up. Automation tools. You can sync your sunglasses listings directly to your Shopify store, automating inventory updates and order fulfillment. If you want variety and beginner-friendly tools, Oberlo is a fantastic choice for sourcing sunglasses. At number 3, Spocket. Next up at number 3 is Spocket, a premium dropshipping platform for US and European suppliers. What they offer. Spocket features high-quality sunglasses, including boutique and designer-inspired styles that stand out from the competition. Why it's great for dropshipping. With suppliers based in North America and Europe, Spocket ensures faster shipping times compared to international options. Easy integration. Spocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, automating your entire dropshipping process. If your focus is on premium sunglasses with faster delivery, Spocket is an excellent supplier to partner with. At number 2, Sunglasses Warehouse. Coming in at number 2 is Sunglasses Warehouse, a dedicated supplier of affordable, high-quality sunglasses. What they offer. Sunglasses Warehouse provides a variety of styles, including aviators, wayfarers, polarized sunglasses, and more. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their competitive pricing and low minimum order quantities make them perfect for dropshippers targeting budget-conscious customers. Shipping options. Based in the US, Sunglasses Warehouse offers fast domestic shipping, ensuring quick delivery for your customers. If affordability and variety are your priorities, Sunglasses Warehouse is a reliable supplier for your sunglasses business. At number 1, CJ Dropshipping. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is CJ Dropshipping, a versatile platform with a massive sunglasses catalog. What they offer. CJ Dropshipping provides everything from trendy fashion sunglasses to sporty, polarized options, catering to diverse customer preferences. Why they're the best. With global warehouses, CJ Dropshipping ensures fast and reliable delivery, and their automation tools simplify inventory management and order processing. Customization options. You can even opt for private labeling to create a unique sunglasses brand for your store. If you're looking for a one-stop shop with customization options and global shipping, CJ Dropshipping is the ultimate supplier for sunglasses. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best sunglasses dropshipping suppliers. Let's quickly recap the list. CJ Dropshipping, best overall for variety, customization, and global reach. Sunglasses Warehouse, perfect for affordable, high-quality options with fast U.S. shipping. Spocket, great for premium sunglasses and boutique-style designs with fast delivery. Oberlo, via AliExpress, ideal for beginners with thousands of affordable options. Zenni Optical, a trusted supplier for trendy, functional eyewear. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier recommendations, and e-commerce strategies. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.